am currently trying to find the strength to get up and leave my apartment. I was up until like 4 a.m. last night, just finishing this little like video for my sister for her gender reveal, which, by the way, it was a girl. I was team girl, so we're gonna have a nephew. A niece. I already have 2 nephews. I'm gonna have a niece now. I'm gonna be a hashtag girl uncle. I'm like really excited. I was team girl all the way. It's a girl. I'm excited. But needless to say, I was up really late last night, and it's like noon. You know, I woke up at like 10 something, but still, I'm like, went to sleep super late, woke up late-ish, whatever. But I'm all packed up and ready to go. So I'm gonna get in the car, go grab me a coffee, and be on my way. Right now, I'm waiting for my friend to go get her lip injections or whatever the hell she's getting. And I can't wait for her to see this because guess what, Rebecca? I'm going to talk crap about you from the seat of your own car because she brought one mask and then it broke. And I had the courtesy, because I'm such a good friend, I had the courtesy to tie it. Can you see this? Look. I had the courtesy to tie it up nice and, you know, ghetto rig it so that it was usable. But instead, because I'm just so smart and I'm always planning ahead, I had my own mask, gave it to her. First thing she said was, "Oh my God, is it clean?" Like, yeah, it is. You know what? I wish I had breathed all over it and it had like snot and all that nasty stuff in it. But you know what? She went in there with my mask after I did such a freaking good job with this. But I'm just waiting for her to get out. And I'm honestly about to take like a 20-minute nap. I'm exhausted from driving here. And I just want to go back to her house and eat like everything there is. I'm starving. I haven't eaten yet at all today, which I have a bad habit of doing. It'll end up being like 5 or 6 o'clock, and I'm like, oh wait, I haven't eaten yet today. Maybe I'll eat something. So I'm gonna go back to her house, eat, and watch Law and Order. I didn't watch the SVU and Organized Crime episodes from Thursday, so we're just gonna chill and stuff our faces and watch Law and Order for tonight, and that sounds just lovely to me.
Look at my lips. Look at my lips.
You didn't even really notice. So as you can tell, it's kind of a cold and gloomy day. Of course, I'm in shorts because I'm an idiot, but I kind of like days like this. It's not quite raining. It's like drizzling a little bit, but it's nice. Again, it's like a little cold, but I like gloomy days like this. Of course, the wind has to follow me everywhere I go because we all know that Mother Nature just loves to give me wind. But I don't know. It's kind of nice. I'd say this is what I'm looking at right now. See all the houses out there in the marsh, the boardwalk and stuff. Gloomy day. That's actually the airport. Logan Airport in Boston is like right over there, and planes take off like every few minutes. Maybe before I leave here, we'll see one of them take off. I would love to get into the city and vlog for a little bit. Like, she only lives 5 minutes outside of like the heart of Boston, but I'm in Winthrop, so Winthrop's like literally 5 minutes away from Boston. But I don't know, the weather for the next few days while I'm gonna be here seems to be like kind of like this, like cold and gloomy and gray and stuff like that, which like I like these kind of days, but it's a little bit tougher when it's cold or rainy out to get outside and vlog, but we'll see. I'm still going to try to get into the city at some point. And it's funny because one of the videos I wanted to do while I was out here was to show off the different microphones that I use for like vlogging and videos and stuff. And of course, right on cue, here comes my friend, the wind. So I've been trying to make that video for like a week and a half just showing and using the different microphones, but it's impossible when it's windy like this because obviously I don't want to show off microphones if I can't get good audio. Otherwise, what's the point? It's just gonna sound like the whole time. I don't know. All that I do know is I've got my Dunkin'. It's getting kind of cold, so I'm just gonna go back in the house. Rebecca will be back soon with her kids, aka my little homies, and I think we're just gonna like order some pizza and chill. It's Sunday, chill Sunday. That's all we're gonna do. Oh, also I can't forget to mention it's Sunday, April 11th, and it's my friend Lexi's birthday, one of my best friends. So if you're watching this, Lex, happy birthday to you. Yeah, the wind's here. It's cold. It's gray. I'm going back inside, so I guess I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? Editor Dev back at it again. I'm going through the footage right now, and I realized that after this point of the video, I didn't vlog again. I have a bad habit of not vlogging enough, but I swear I'm working on it. But you know what I did do, which I also have another bad habit of doing, is recording a lot of footage while being in the passenger seat and getting some great B-roll. So I like how that came out. So I'm just going to show you guys the B-roll with some cool music, and then that's pretty much it. The last clip is me basically being like, hey guys, I realized I didn't vlog, see you later. So that's what I'm going to do, show the B-roll and do the little outro, and that's it. But you know what? We were this close to making a video without messing up. But I swear, guys, I'm working on it. Stay tuned, because you know what? Pretty soon, nah, who am I kidding? I'm probably going to f something else up again anyway. But you know what? Listen, we're working on it, okay? Soon, we will have a regular video with no mess-ups and no more interruptions from Editor Dev. But for now, you get to see my ugly mug. So, yeah, I guess check out some cool B-roll, and thanks for watching. It is currently 9 o'clock. I am just watching some YouTube. This is my little mobile workstation that I set up at Rebecca's house. I kind of just took over her kitchen table so I could do some editing and stuff. I finished editing a video yesterday that's going up this week, so that's going to be nice. But yeah, today was a nice day. I slept into like noon, but then I went into Salem, Massachusetts, and we drove around for a little bit, and then we also went to the Salem Witch Museum, which was really cool because it's just like interactive, you know, like performance type of thing. Well, not a performance, but it's like an interactive, you know, tour or whatever you want to call it. And you know, they tell you like a little bit of the history of like witches and all that stuff, and like the witch trials of 1692. Bunch of cool stuff. I got a lot of cool B-roll. It was like kind of gloomy throughout the day, and then it got nicer in the evening, but I didn't vlog too much. I don't even know, actually, by the time I'm editing this video, I don't even know the clip that'll be coming before this, because as usual, you know, I'm not the best vlogger, but I've started to realize when I go to visit friends, it's much different, because I'm not really coming out to visit somebody with the intent of vlogging. Like if I was going to a place solely for me to vlog, or if it's like a legit full-on vacation, that's a different story, but whatever. But yeah, I was walking before along the you know, boardwalk thing, which you've probably already seen by this point in the video, and it was a little darker, so I took my ND filter off to take some pictures of like the buildings across the you know, water. And yeah, it fell out of my pocket, rolled off into the marsh. So needless to say, I spent the last hour and a half watching reviews of other ND filters, because of course that one is no longer available on Amazon, so I had to get a different brand and just, so yeah, it was a nice day, but then I lost my ND filter and then spent an hour and a half looking up new ones. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm heading home tomorrow night, but I think tomorrow we may go to this place called Deer Island, and maybe I'll actually get into the city tomorrow, but if not, it's no big deal. I go into the city every time I come here, and honestly, like where she lives, It's right outside the city. There's still a lot of cool stuff to do. So I still had a good day regardless. But yeah, that's pretty much the summary of today. So hopefully I'll have a little bit more at the end of this video of what happens tomorrow, and that'll be that. But yeah.